everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to be participating in the Fall DIY Dupe Challenge, hosted by Kenya's Decor Corner and Eclectic Kristen. The rules of the challenge were to find something fall related and to recreate it. I fell in love with this BIGLOTS flower display and decided I'd recreate it for you. I hope you enjoy. I was like a kid in a candy store, guys, when I come across this galvanised tin from Kmart. It was just $8. To start my project, I took some floral foam and cut it to size so it would fit inside the tin. I then took my DIY cotton ball stems and I placed one of them at the back of the floral foam. If you'd like to see how I made these, I'll leave a link to that video down below. I then took some dollar store raffia, guys, and what I did was I grouped a whole heap of it together, then took a single piece of raffia and tied it in place. I simply folded the raffia over and then taking that single piece, I tied a double knot. Once that was complete, I then took my scissors and I cut the top loop of the raffia. I simply placed this in front of the floral foam. Basically, it was just resting there. I then repeated the same steps and created about 3 of these. After playing around with my design, I added another piece of floral foam to the top to give some visual height and make those cotton stems stand out. I then took some dollar store pumpkins that I spray painted white, and again playing around with them, I added them to the front. I then also took some pine cones and I just simply rested them on either side. Now, in the original BIGLOTS display, they had wheat. Guys, I tried to find fake wheat in my town and it was near impossible. So I took these fake hydrangeas and I added one to each side for a pop of colour. And here is my BIGLOTS inspired rustic fall decor. Guys, this was such a simple DIY to make and so easy to recreate. Guys, we don't have BIGLOTS here in Australia, but I see on my Instagram stories all those amazing shopping tours to your local BIGLOTS. I'm in awe, guys, of your amazing fall decor that you have at hand, and I was so happy I was able to recreate something from BIGLOTS. Guys, a big shout out has to go to my sweet friends Kenya's Decor Corner and Eclectic Kristen, who have put together this amazing challenge. As soon as they announced it, I was definitely on board. I loved the idea of recreating something that me personally just can't get. Guys, don't forget to go over and check out their channels. They also have a playlist of other YouTubers like myself who have participated in this wonderful collaboration. I'll leave links to their channels in the description bar down below. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out that playlist, guys, because there's so many inspirational ideas out there from other YouTubers who have participated in this wonderful collaboration. I hope I've inspired you guys to do lots of DIYs for your home. DIYs don't have to be scary, guys. It's just a little bit of thought goes into them, or recreating something that you might have seen in store. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.